In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enter your 1098T tuition and scholarships to claim education tax benefits. If you paid qualified tuition or you received a 1098T from your school, this walkthrough is for you. Have your 1098T handy so you can copy the details exactly as they appear. The key boxes to watch are Box 1 for payments received for qualified tuition and Box 5 for scholarships or grants. Start by going into the federal section of your tax software. This is where all income, deductions, and credits are organized, and it's the doorway to your education tax breaks. Once you're there, choose Deductions and Credits. That's the area that holds your education-related entries and where the software can determine whether you qualify for credits. Scroll to the section labeled Your Tax Breaks. You're looking for the topic called Expenses and Scholarships, 1098T. This is the correct spot to enter information from your form, and it's designed to match the layout you see on the paper or digital 1098T. When you see it, click Start to Begin. Next, enter your school and student information. Type the school's name as it appears on the form and select the correct student on the return, whether that's you or a dependent you're claiming. If the software asks for details like the school's address or federal identification number, you'll typically find those on the 1098T. Accuracy matters here, so match what's printed to avoid processing delays or mismatches. Now, enter your tuition and scholarship amounts. Use the exact figures from your 1098T. For example, if your tuition is $2,000, type $2,000 for the tuition amount shown on Box 1. If you also have scholarships or grants in Box 5, enter that full amount in the scholarship field. Don't subtract scholarships from tuition yourself. The software will do that math and apply the rules correctly. Remember that qualified expenses generally include tuition and required fees, but not room and board. If your school billed amounts in a different year than they were paid, always follow what's shown on the 1098T and any supporting statements from the school. When everything looks right, click Continue. The software will use what you entered to check your eligibility for education benefits, such as the American Opportunity Credit or the Lifetime Learning Credit, and it will apply the option that gives you the best result based on your situation. That's it. Keep your 1098T and any related receipts with your records in case they're ever needed for verification. Thanks for watching, and take your time entering each field carefully to make sure you get every dollar you're eligible for.